video, I want to go over how to use smart answers in the NetDocs AI Assistant, which is, a whole bunch of like, what is smart answers? So we'll explain in this video what it actually is. It's using the AI assistant to do search. So instead of opening up advanced search, I'm going to come over to Ask AI. Now, I am not going to select any documents. All right. I'm going to make sure in this toggle, Search AI is just checked off. If it was unchecked, it wouldn't work. So we need to make sure it's checked off. And then I'm going to put in something like, can you find all employment agreements listing first legal media? And then we'll come over here. And then the NetDocs AI Assistant is now doing the search. This is better in a sense because it isn't just going to do exactly what you're going to say it would do. If that's the case, just use the NetDocs advanced search here. But it's going to take a more AI angle to maybe loosen what is an actual employment agreement. I don't have to use a lot of Boolean searching here. I can use natural language search here. So this is going through my whole NetDocs repository. And then once it's finished, it's going to come up with an answer. All right. Searching your documents for employment agreements. Now, what I'll do here is let's just expand this. So we click this button over here to expand it. Okay. And so I searched all cabinets and found 3 documents in here, and it's listing them right here. Would you like to extract the key terms? Or, one of the things I can do here is then just copy, shrink this down, and go to the document itself. Oh, and then if we come over here to view in browser, even though this is labeled motion, all right, it's the employee. See, I guess here's the thing here is that name of the document is completely wrong, but it's going in there and finding an employment agreement. And then you see there's first legal media incorporated. So what would you like to do here? And this is where you can use the legal AI assistant to extract things from. All right, so that's how you use smart answers. Just to come back over here again, is we don't have any files checked at all. And let's just do it from the very beginning. Ask AI, no files checked. All right, that was from a different repository. All right, let's just ask AI. All right, there we go again. Don't know what that was, but that is what it is. So you saw me doing a little troubleshooting there. Make sure that this is checked. Don't have any documents selected, and that's how you use smart answers.